Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to download a video on Google Drive. First, open the Google Drive app or visit the Google Drive website on your device. Locate the video you want to download from your drive. Tap on the three dots, More Options, next to the video file. Select the download option from the menu. The video will start downloading and be saved to your device's storage. That's it. You've successfully downloaded a video from Google Drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.